How to add stroke to text in Photoshop. Let's get into it. With your project open, double click on the text layer in the Layers panel. We then want to come over to the stroke option and then come into the stroke settings, and this is where we can customize our outline. Now what I'm going to do is set the color that I want. For this one, I'm going to make it black. And then you can configure the size of your stroke. The higher the number, the more extreme, the lower the number, the less extreme. We can also change the position. So for example, right now we have outside, but we can also choose inside as well as center. I'm going to leave mine as outside. You can also configure the blend modes if you want to play around with this to get a different effect. And you can also change the opacity. Say if you want a stroke or outline that isn't too bold, you can play with that too. You can also choose the fill type of your stroke. You can choose between color, gradient, or pattern. In this instance, I'm going to stick with color. With all of this configured, you can just click OK, and that's all there is to it.